The sale collection at Emma One Sock is always filled with inspiration and lots of beautiful fabric. Browse these fabrics by clicking Sale and then the subcategory of choice. Alternatively, you can click through from the fabric store to the sale collection and you'll see the 3 subcategories of sale items. The first category is clearance, which are sale items that are not expected to be restocked. The next category is roll-ins, which are, just as they sound, the end of rolls of fabrics in varying sizes. For example, this cotton double gauze is available in a 0.875 yard piece. And because they are the end of the roll, roll-ins cannot be adjusted at checkout. They are sold by the piece and the yardage is shown in the title of the fabric listing. Roll-in fabrics will sometimes show a link to additional roll-ins of the same fabric or to a new roll with yardage that can be adjusted at checkout. So let's return back to the sale categories for the last option, which is Deal of the Week. Here we offer a selection of fabrics with 4 yards or less available, and they are deeply discounted, but keep in mind that they will not likely be restocked. Each Deal of the Week listing will show the original price and the current sale price for comparison. One last tip for always finding the best deals at Emma One Sock is to check the daily update in the sidebar menu. Here you'll find lots of updates and information along with the latest sale codes. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you find exactly what you're looking for.